Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson from AUTOMOTIVE. Today I got a 2013 Ford Explorer Sport, all-wheel drive, clean CARFAX. I'm going to walk you around it real fast and show you some features on it. Yeah, here's a good shot of your rims and tires. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well too. Now our repair shop has done an inspection on this vehicle, and we're also going to put a 30-day warranty on this Explorer as well too. This Explorer has a lot of nice options on it. One of them, it has the proximity key. So to unlock the car, all you have to do is hit the button right here. Really nice to have. You also have built-in blind spot indicators, so if someone's in your blind spot, you'll have a little orange light up right there letting you know someone's in your blind spot. This car is extremely clean inside and out. There's no rips or tears in the leather seats. Now these seats are power as well. No cracks or fading in the dash. Now you are going to have captains on this Explorer. And this Explorer is a non-smoker. There's no funny smells inside of the vehicle. This Explorer has been very well taken care of. Now we do have financing available as well too. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people trying to rebuild their credit. Shot of your back seat. Shot of your rims and tires. Now this Explorer is equipped with backup sensors and a backup camera. It's gonna have a power liftgate as well too. All you have to do is hit the button below. It's gonna open up for you. Another nice thing about these Explorers, it has stow and go seating. So you're gonna be able to fold down your back seats flat, kind of like a minivan. So it just gives yourself a little more cargo space down there. Again, power liftgate, all you gotta do is hit the button, closes right up for you. I'll show you rims and tires. Again, no rips or tears in these leather seats. No funny smells in this vehicle. Shot of your back seat. Now you're also going to have a remote start on this Explorer as well too. Guys, if you have any questions on this 2013 Ford Explorer, my name is Tim Dawson from AUTOMOTIVE. I'll be more than happy to take more photos for you, another video. Just let me know how I can help you out. My phone number is 309-310-3034. Hop in the driver's seat and look around a little more. Of course, you do have power windows, power locks, power driver's seat. Again, no rips or tears in the driver's seat. And you also have power pedals. Got the huge moonroof up top. Got the nice big touchscreen inside. I did mention earlier, you're gonna have a backup camera. You're gonna have heated seats, cooled seats, and you're also gonna have navigation. Of course, you're gonna have Bluetooth, so you're gonna be able to sync up your phone, make all your telephone calls, and you're also gonna have the push button start. Guys, this was a 2013 Ford Explorer, clean CARFAX. We have financing available. My name is Tim. Please give me a call or text. Let me know how I can help you out. My phone number is 309-310-3034. Thank you.